Greetings, people of the interwebs. As you can see, I am at a location with Chun-Li, who has performed perfectly as as expected. I don't know whether you can see me on this picture or not. I hope so. But yes, I'm at the meetup place, waiting for Matt and Jason to turn up because we're doing an outdoor cookering. So we should experience some momos. And yeah, that's about it. Been for a nice little trip round, got lost on the way here. Took me a bit longer than expected, but I'm still about 20 minutes early, so just wasting a bit of time. But I'll turn you around so we can have a look at the view. And how's that for a view? You can see for bloody miles. Well, I can anyway. I don't know about you on camera, but yeah, it's quite a good spot. There's like a little pond down there as well, which is quite nice. A nice little place. So quiet. Oh, I can't see note. So one thing I have to say about this place, there's no shade. So there's a couple of little trees and things, and then someone's put a thing there. That weren't there on Boaty's video, I don't think, although I didn't see. I don't know, because there were a transit that pulls up there. So yeah, just waiting for Boaty and Matt and start a vloggy cookie video. Maybe I should show you around Chun-Li while I'm waiting. Let's have a look around Chun-Li. So this is Chun-Li, the CBR 600F 2012 motorbike I've got. It's the second CBR 600F I've had. The first one I had was a 92, so it's like 20 years older than this one. But it feels exactly the same when you sit on it. It's sort of halfway between sports bike and touring bike. So it's not a full sit up type experience. I know, but it's not a full on down sports bike either. Otherwise, your levers would be down here somewhere. But it's plenty comfortable, plenty quick enough for me. I don't rock it around anywhere. I just toodle along. It's a nice colour. I don't know whether it picks up on camera very well, but it's like I think they call it. What do they call it now? Something like Galaxy Black or something. It's got like multicoloured sparkles in it. Obviously, the yellow bits are bits I've stuck on there. Ideally, I'd want the wheels doing bright yellow, but then when it comes to selling it on later, I'm not sure whether anybody else would kind of like that idea. It's got a couple of non-standard things that you can probably see straight away. Is the Black Widow exhaust. I'm going to change that out for a smaller exit one on there. When I got it, it didn't have a muffler in it either, so the drip, the trip down the motorway from Leeds was quite noisy. I've added an extender on the front wheel arch, front mudguard there, just to stop it getting crap chucked up at the radiator and headers. Not that I go out in rain really. What else did I do? Oh, this is an extra as well. I didn't put this on, but this is an extra. They don't normally come with huggers on there, and obviously it's got a tail tidy on it as well. Normally it'd have a plastic thing coming down here with number plate, but that's a good addition. Oh, missing the most obvious one, the seat cowl. I put that on. It's got heated grips on it. I've put a phone holder on it, but normally I just don't bother anyway. I don't know why I bought the phone holder and the Cardo system, because I just normally wing it where I'm going. But yeah, it's quite a good setup for how good a bike it is, to be honest. It's got Nissan calipers on it, so it's combined, so if you put back brake on it, puts a bit of front brake on as well. Shower forks on front that are adjustable at the top up here, so you've got compression and rebound on that. And then on the back it's the same, it's a shower again. I think it's just set for, well, it has got compression and rebound adjustments on that. What else is different on it? I think it's just that, to be honest. Can't think of any other bits on it. I'm pretty sure it came with a dark screen. I think the black ones came with a dark screen, and the white and red ones came with a clear screen on there. I don't think that's any different. As I think the indicators are standard as well on that. So yeah, it's quite a few really cool stuff. And it's just a really nice bike to ride. It's not too heavy, not super light, it's not slow, it's not super quick. It's just dead middle of the road. Average usable bike that looks nice. Oh, so bright. So there we have it. A lovely little tour around Chun-Li, the Honda CBR 600F, and yeah, nice little bike. Does what it says, does what it needs to, and yeah, there you go. Ta-ra!